Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have 2u. This one we have 3x squared. This one we have number 1, so we have number 3. Because we don't have number 3, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. So the square root we change for u. This one with the s we change for 2u du over number 3. So u divided by u, we have number 1. So the integration of du, we have u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.